Hi, and welcome back to Pretty Creative Stuff. Today I'm going to show you 2 super easy ways to use fiber fill to give your Christmas decorations a wintry, snowy look. This started out as an empty, plain bulb that I got at, I want to say 50% off at an after Christmas sale at the dollar store. It may have been even more than 50% off. It may have been like 25 cents or 50 cents. So this is what it looked like when I got it. It's just completely plain and it has this little top that goes on it. I tied a piece of yarn on here to make it so I could hang it from the tree. And took this out of the top, so it just goes in like this. It's just a round, clear, empty ball. Now you can put pretty much anything in here you want, but one thing that I did is this is all like fiber fill, like the polyfill stuff you'd put in like if you were making a stuffed animal. I'm not making a stuffed animal. I'm trying to make ornaments that look kind of wintry and snowish. So all I did is I got this fiber fill. I actually already had it from making like some hand knit stuffed animals, and then shoved that in here until it was completely full to give it a snow effect. So we'll shove that in real quick. This all came out of here. I just took it out just now to show you what it looks like empty. I did this a couple years ago after Christmas and then packed them all away to use the next year. And we've been doing a winter themed Christmas tree. So not as much red and candy cane colors, but more like snowflakes and wintry look. So having ornaments just stuffed full with polyfill packing material gives it this snowy look. Pop this back in. Super quick and easy to do. Now, one thing that you could do, these are just empty ornaments. You could paint them. You could make them custom Christmas presents by adding a picture inside. But there you go. This is what I would consider like a snowball Christmas ornament because I just filled it with what I think looks like fake snow. You hang that up. You can see I have a whole bunch of them. Another way that I use the fiber fill to decorate for Christmas is I use it to be like fake snow. So here's another example. Over here on my mantle, I have this whole winter look going on, and this is fiber fill, polyfill, whatever it's called, the stuff like you would stuff a stuffed animal with. I just have it tucked under these green branches, and I have some on top to kind of give the illusion of fallen snow. I'll step back so you can see what that looks like. Just like little snow drifts. So those are 2 super easy ways to use fiber fill to give your Christmas decorations a wintry, snowy look. Let me know how you're decorating for Christmas in the comments. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified about more Christmas videos and other creative ideas that I have for the holidays and beyond.